hurry, let's go. Who screamed like that?
What is it, sir?
Gray hair. This is it. My time is drawing to a close.
If it makes you feel any better, I thought you were gonna kick the bucket years ago.
It's not serious, it's just the gray hair.
When I'm gone, what will be my legacy? I have nothing to show but a rusty building full of useless pieces of junk. I didn't even take over one continent, for Pete's sake.
To be what we are, and to become what we are capable of becoming, is the only end of life. Perhaps you shall be remembered as a creator rather than a conqueror. One must admit, you succeeded far more often when you are teaming up with Sonic to save the world than when you are trying to destroy it.
That's it! Sonic! That's the answer. I never felt more alive when
How in the heck is Sonic the answer?
we were fighting to the death. A good old bout with that blue devil will lift my spirits again.
He won't even bat an eye on us anymore.
Sure he will. We just need to get his attention.
But sir, she's with child.
Meaning she won't be able to fight back. Bring her to me.
Oh no.
You've got some nerve bringing me here. It's a shame I left my hammer at home. I
Yeah.
could have thanked you for the gift you gave me.
Now, Amy, we both know you can't fight in your precious condition.
What are you going to do with us?
Calm down. I'm not going to hurt you or the baby. I may be an evil genius, but I'm not a monster.
Good.
It won't take long for Sonic to realize you're missing. My lair is the first place he'll check. Meanwhile, I'll be keeping you in this very dangerous-looking yet completely ethical cage. The sight alone will enrage Sonic and he will break in. Little does he know I've coded a special failsafe in this fortress. When the sensors recognize his exact DNA, the entire building will go into lockdown. Even after saving you and your unborn child, there will be no means of escape for a solid hour. Sonic will have no choice but to fight my warrior bots. Then, when all hope seems lost, I'll let him win this time. When the hour has passed, boom! The lair will come out of lockdown. You idiots will go off in your merry way, and I can start planning my next evil scheme.
That is the boringest plan I ever have.
Wow, you're just dripping with chivalry.
Amy!
Sonic! It's a trap!
Ha! Now that you're here, you'll have to fight my two biggest mechs.
Not gonna lie, those are cool.
Better not blink.
Sonic, I meant no harm.
Oh, but I do!
Uh-oh.
I just wanted to relive the glory days. You remember?
I can't.
The reason why I say uh-oh is because Eggman's a big trouble.
Help you with reliving the past, but I can knock you into next
I haven't seen
Tuesday!
this side of you before. You've gotten angrier with age. Huh.
Guys! The baby's coming!
Wait.
What? The baby's coming! I knew it!
Amy, babe, it's okay. Just hold on and I'll get us out of here.
You can't!
Sure I can.
Okay, first of all, she's about to have the baby now, and if I overheard that Eggman's plan, it might go into lockdown. So I'm afraid, you're going to deliver it here.
We'll be at the hospital in
No,
a split.
you can't. As soon as you broke into my island fortress, the building went into lockdown.
Then unlock it!
I can't! There's no override! The locks will disable in an hour.
We don't
This is why you shouldn't kidnap her while she's pregnant. What the heck is wrong with you, psychopath?
have an hour!
This is why you don't kidnap pregnant people!
We'll have to deliver the baby here.
Exactly, I just said that.
You're gonna help us!
I'm not that kind of doctor.
I don't care! You have managed to interfere with every important moment in our lives, and I am not about to let you ruin this one!
I wouldn't say I've ruined everything.
Oh, this better be good. Here comes the flashbacks.
This movie is hilarious. I love murder mysteries. They crack me up so much.
Amy? Will you marry...
Oh, Sonic!
Even on his proposal? Really?
What was that? Will you marry? Oh, I can't speak. I'm Sonic the Hedgehog.
Oh my lord. Sorry, I think this is
I love you, Mrs. Hedgehog.
And I love you even more, Mr. Hedgehog.
even on their wedding day. You are such an idiot.
Hey, are you listening to me? We need your help!
I can't deliver this baby. But they can!
Labor and delivery service database acquired.
Not gonna lie, that's pretty office. And second, I don't know what to do. And Sonic is literally doing her hair.
This is... isn't how I pictured this day would go.
You and me both, Ames.
You're in good hands now, Mrs. Hedgehog.
How?
You're gonna want to brace for this.
Wait, me? Brace for
I
what?
already have your contraction patterns timed out in my program. Deep breath. The next contraction will start in 3, 2, 1.
Oh. I never heard scream like that.
I want a baby, he says. Let's have a baby, he says. That is the last time I let you stick to it on our route.
What was that last bit?
Just one more push.
Oh, great.
Yeah, shush. Let's just
Okay, it's here. Yeah, I can't wait to see it.
clean you up, Ben.
Time of birth, March 13th, 7:04 p.m. Healthy weight, files are stable. Congratulations.
Don't drop it. It's tiny.
She's a tiny baby?
Come here. That's right. Right to mommy. Hi. Oh my gosh, Sonic. She's more perfect than I imagined.
How come we haven't seen it?
She is!
Aurora.
Oh, she's so cute.
She's...
Look at her. She's so freaking cute. I just want to squeeze her.
small!
Look at those eyes.
You did so good, Ames!
Really, she did. And I'm not lying.
Oh, she's looking at you.
Okay, you're here.
Hello there.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
We were waiting for you.
You waiting on me?
Yeah. Ice cream now.
Can you get some ice cream now?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see.
Can you give us a ice cream?
Let's see how tall you are.